Hello everyone, welcome to another Generations Devlog. It's been what, less than 24 hours? Have I finally gone crazy? That's a valid question, but I will not answer it. This day I have added saving and saplings. You can now save your game and plant saplings. I've done all that in one day. I have drank 20 cans of Red Bull. Here's Live Zyap Guy to tell you all about it. So, it's again time for Live Zyap Guy to show you the latest features of Generations. Sure. To show you all the saving system, I think I'm gonna load my save. I just write load Zyap Guy. Of course, there will be an interface. I'm just using console to make it easier. As you can see, loaded my save. Now we might be asking Zyap Guy, what are these small trees? Well, they're saplings. When you cut down a tree, let's cut down this one. They drop, and you can actually use them and plant them down, and somewhere around 5 to 15 minutes they will become a real tree. This is to prevent deforestation and lack of resources. I mean, if you manage your items really bad, you might still end up losing trees forever, but I think the game is gonna have a failsafe where it just creates random trees if you literally have 0 trees left. More about that later though. Another feature, I think I showed you all the torch in the last episode. Let me show you just how saving works. I'm gonna load the default save. This is the default save. The game is a bit laggy because when you load saves in the editor, it likes to screw around. Okay. This is the default save. I have nothing. Nothing unlocked, no skills. Let's collect a few resources. Let's put that there. Let's cut down this exact tree. Let's get these. Let's plant 3 saplings very close to each other. Let's get 1 level. And let's unlock ores 1. Now, to save this, of course there will be a menu in game, but I'm just using a console, as I said. Save. Let's call this video world, and then it saves our world. Let's return to the default save. Load default. As you can see, those are gone. Now we want to load into our other save. By the way, if you're wondering why the time is going, the L and K keys are set to that, so don't mind that, that won't be in the game. Video world. And as you can see, our saplings are here, that tree is gone. Our items are here, we unlocked ores 1. Yeah, these are picked up. So yeah, that's probably all I have to show you right now. I think I'm gonna give the microphone back to a scripted Zyap Guy, who is apparently better than me. Well, I don't have anything new to say. If you like my content, subscribe. If you don't, leave me a comment. Tell me what you don't like. Thank you for watching. Zyap Guy out.